Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Opyn, the decentralized platform that brings the power of options trading to the world of crypto. This video will walk you through everything you need to know about using Opyn, from navigating the interface to leveraging its features to hedge your crypto positions or earn passive income. Opyn allows you to trade and create options on a decentralized protocol, enabling both buyers and sellers to participate in a transparent and trustless environment. To get started, visit the website and connect your crypto wallet. The platform supports major wallets such as MetaMask and Wallet Connect, ensuring secure access to your account. Once connected, you'll find a clean and intuitive dashboard showcasing the options available for trade, their strike prices, expiration dates, and premiums. To purchase an option, simply select the asset you're interested in, choose the strike price and expiration date that fit your strategy, and click the Buy button. You'll be prompted to confirm the transaction through your wallet. Selling options is just as seamless. You can mint and sell options by providing collateral, which is securely locked in the smart contract. This ensures all transactions are fully backed and trustless. Opyn's features also include advanced analytics to help you make informed decisions. By exploring their graphs and data points, you can gain insight into market trends and volatility. Additionally, Opyn offers yield farming opportunities by providing liquidity to the platform. This allows you to earn returns while supporting the options market. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Opyn stands out for its security and transparency, ensuring all users can trust the system while exploring strategies such as hedging, speculation, or simply earning yield. Don't forget to check out their tutorials and community resources for tips and updates. The platform's ecosystem continues to expand, offering more opportunities to participate in the growing world of decentralized finance. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like for more in-depth guides on crypto platforms.